Hi, I'm Rudy Martin, editor of Emerging Market Winners for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. This year, China has been facing rolling power blackouts that are likely to get worse before they get better. According to the China Electricity Council, the country's supply may lag demand by 30 gigawatts this summer. That's twice the shortfall that Japan faced after its earthquake in March. There are several reasons for this problem, but the biggest may be surging demand. Electricity consumption in China grew by 13.2% last year, and it has maintained that rapid pace in the first quarter of this year. Electricity prices, unfortunately, have not risen to reflect that demand, and China's capacity to generate power has therefore not been able to keep up. Even worse, the gap between supply and demand is likely to get bigger. Peak power shortages may reach 50 gigawatts next year and even exceed 70 gigawatts in 2013. In addition, alternatives like hydropower are not as reliable as needed. Since the Three Gorges Dam was completed in 2008, it has caused massive social, environmental, and geological issues. And with the drought condition, it supplies only 2% of the country's electricity. As a result of these problems, Chinese provinces will be forced to continue curtailing electricity supplies to fight the power shortage. This rationing may reduce second quarter economic growth, and it will make it more difficult for some energy-dependent companies to meet their revenue and profit targets. The shortage has also forced Chinese manufacturers to rely more on diesel fuel generators, driving up demand and prices for diesel. The power crunch is also having an impact on other industries. China now consumes the majority of the world's metallurgical coal to fuel its booming steel production. But without enough electricity, China will be forced to import more steel. In addition, China will need to import more thermal coal, which generates almost 80% of its electric power. And its domestic stockpiles of coal have just fallen to 9 days' worth versus an average of 2 weeks. I'm watching this situation closely and telling subscribers of my Emerging Market Winners service how to take advantage of it. That's my take on it. Thanks for watching.